American English versus British English. Let's go. Apartments versus flats. Apartment versus flat. She just rented a beautiful apartment in New York. She just rented a lovely flat in London. Truck versus lorry. Truck versus lorry. That truck is blocking the street. That lorry is blocking the road. Elevator versus lift. Elevator versus lift. Let's take the elevator to the 10th floor. Let's take the lift to the 10th floor. Trash can versus bin. Trash can versus bin. Please throw it in the trash can. Please put it in the bin. Soccer versus football. Soccer versus football. My brother plays soccer every weekend. My brother plays football every weekend. French fries versus chips. French fries versus chips. I'd like a burger with French fries. I like a burger with chips. Cookie versus biscuit. Cookie versus biscuit. Can I have a chocolate chip cookie? Can I have a chocolate biscuit? Gas versus petrol. Gas versus petrol. I need to fill up my car with gas. I need to fill up my car with petrol. Sweater versus jumper. Sweater versus jumper. She needed a warm sweater for me. She needed a warm jumper for me. Diaper versus nappy. Diaper versus nappy. The baby needs a new diaper. The baby needs a new nappy. Vacation versus holiday. Vacation versus holiday. We're planning a vacation to Florida. We're planning a holiday to Spain. Sneakers versus trainers. Sneakers versus trainers. I bought a new sneakers for the gym. I bought a new trainers for the gym. Flashlight versus torch. Flashlight versus torch. Grab a flashlight. It's dark outside. Grab a torch. It's dark outside. Candy versus sweets. Candy versus sweets. Kids love Halloween candy. Kids love Halloween sweets. Zucchini versus courgette. Zucchini versus courgette. I made a pasta with zucchini. I made a pasta with courgettes. Eggplant versus aubergine. Eggplant versus aubergine. Do you like eggplant parmesan? Do you like aubergine parmesan? Apartment building versus block of flats. Apartment building versus block of flats. They living in an apartment building downtown. They living a block of flats downtown. Candy store versus sweet shop. Candy store versus sweet shop. We went to the candy store after school. We went to the sweet shop after school. Cotton candy versus candy floss. Cotton candy versus candy floss. Kids love cotton candy at the fair. Kids love candy floss at the fair. Stroller versus pram. Stroller versus pram. She pushed the baby in a stroller. She pushed the baby in the pram. Cell phone versus mobile phone. Cell phone versus mobile phone. I lost my cell phone at the mall. I lost my mobile phone at the shopping center. Parking lot versus car park. Parking lot versus car park. The parking lot is full. The car park is full. Drugstore versus chemists. Drugstores versus chemists. I bought a medicine from the drugstore. I bought a medicine from the chemist. Garbage versus rubbish. Garbage versus rubbish. Take out the garbage tonight. Take out the rubbish tonight. Yard versus garden. Yard versus garden. The kids are playing in the yard. The kids are playing in the garden. Fall versus autumn. Fall versus autumn. Fall is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. Subway versus underground. Subway versus underground. I take the subway to work. I take the underground to work. Truck driver versus lorry driver. Truck driver versus lorry driver. Her father is a truck driver. Her father is a lorry driver. Check versus bill. Check versus bill. Can I have the check, please? Can I have the bill, please? Movie theater versus cinema. Movie theater versus cinema. We went to the movie theater last night. We went to the cinema last night. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.